Hey guys, it's Trish. I'm back with another video. If you guys are new, thanks for stopping by. Please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am back, y'all, back with another slay tutorial per usual. This is the look that I did. I wanted to do something that was like a nude ombre type thing going on. I wanted to do like a pop of like, I don't know if this is like a green or blue. I don't know what it is, but it was really pretty. And I put some like glitter on my lower lash line. And I wanted to include the Crayon Matte Book. When they released this palette on their website, I just had to get it because it was so pretty and it was matte, and I love like matte colors. And so yes, I picked up the palette and I wanted to try it out for you guys. I wanted to bring you guys a review slash first impressions on the video, and you know, wanted to show you guys my thoughts as I was creating this look. So yes, stay tuned in till the end so you guys can hear my full thoughts. And yeah, let me know down in the description box, not the description box guys, the comment section, like what type of videos you guys like to see. I know I love uploading my tutorials and makeup looks and stuff, and which I always will, but also let me know down in the comments as to what like looks you guys want to see, what type of video you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more lifestyle videos, I do like doing lifestyle videos as well. If you guys want to see more hair videos here on my channel, because I do want to get into that as well. So yes, let me know what you guys want to see and I will bring you guys the content. So yes, please do not leave here without hitting that subscribe button again, and turn on that bell. Turn on the bell so you guys are knowing when I upload my videos. Share my videos, comment, thumbs up the video, and yes, I hope you guys enjoy the look. I hope you guys pick up the palette as well because it is bomb, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Hey y'all, so the first thing I'm going to start off with is my brow bone. As always, I'm taking this gold highlight from the Sleek Contour Kit in the color Deep. It's the deep one, and I'm just taking the gold shade and I'm using it as my highlight. Nothing fancy, just a little highlight on the brow bone. And I will be dipping into another palette, just a little something, nothing too much. I'm dipping into the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this deep brown burgundy shade called Fizz, and I'm using that as my first crease shade. Now I'm going into the matte book, and I'm taking this peach brown shade, and I'm going to use that to blend out that brown shade. Well, the deeper brown shade. I'm using that peach shade to blend out the deeper brown shade, if that makes sense. But I think it's self-explanatory. And now I'm going into this deep, it's like a grayish black, and I'm using that to deepen up my crease and to add some definition. Now I'm going to cut my crease with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1. And I'm just going back in with that black shade again. And I'm putting that on the outer portions of my eyelid. Going back into that palette again, I'm taking this light blue shimmer shade. I cannot pronounce this name, you guys, but I will definitely leave it down in the description box. I don't want to start lying to you guys, so I'm just gonna leave it down there, and y'all can see y'all can go down there and see what color I'm using, or y'all can refer to the palette if y'all have the palette. Don't get me lying. Now I'm taking this white shade and this light tan shade, and I'm going to put that on the majority portion of my lid towards the end. But I'm going to leave a little gap open because I'm going to go in with another nice little brown shadow from that palette, you guys. You always want to tap your eyeshadow. Don't swipe. Tap it in. Like, just tap it and pack it. That's how you get the most pigment in your shadow. Now I'm taking this other brown shade. It's more orange. I'm putting that between the black shade and the tan shade, and I just created that soft, you know, that soft This is a soft brown look. It was really pretty. I like the way this look came out. But we're gonna add a little bit of glitter. You know, you guys, I love my look. Y'all know I love my glitter. So I'm gonna add some glitter in towards the end, but it's gonna be on my lower lash line though, because I didn't want to disrupt this eye look. It was really nice, so I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line. I already did my liner. Now I'm taking these lashes from I Envy Kiss, and I'm gonna go and start doing the glitter. I'm taking this glitter from Cake Your Face called Birthday Cake, you guys. It's a chunky glitter, and it has like specks of like purple, silver, blue, a little bit of pink. It's really, really pretty, and I wanted to like put it on my lower lash lines to give it a pop. And now I'm going in with my sleek blush in the shade Flush, and I'm using that on my cheeks. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm so tired, and I wanted to, you know, get this video done for you guys. And now I'm just spraying my face with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm gonna go in with my Becca highlighter in the shade Topaz, an oldie but a goodie. It's one of my favorites, and I'm gonna top it off with this highlighter that you guys have seen me use before in one of my previous tutorials. It's this highlighter, this loose highlighter from this company called Glitzcosmetique, and it's in the shade Tansy. It's like a lighter gold, and I'm gonna use it to top off that highlighter that I put down. And I do have a coupon code, and it's listed down in the description box for that company. They have amazing products, you guys. I'm so extra with this highlight, but I like a nice glow. Nothing, I don't like it to be too crazy, but I don't like it to be like extremely subtle either. Like, I like my highlight to be seen. I want to be seen when you guys see me or when somebody see me. So you gotta be a little, I'm not gonna say you guys, but I gotta be a little extra with my highlight, if you know what I mean. And I'm just spraying my face again so they can just melt in a little bit. And now for my lips, I'm lining my lips with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Richie. I will be going in with the 52Cosmetics lip stain in the color China. It's a really pretty nude color. I also have my coupon code listed down in the description box for this company as well. It's another amazing black owned company, and I'm just going to top that off with my Crayon Case lip gloss in the color Clean Kisses. It's just a really pretty brown lip gloss, and I just top that off with that lipstick. And this is it for this video, you guys. So if you guys have made it to the end of the video, that means you guys are ready to hear my thoughts. So yes, the palette was really pretty, you guys. Colors was very blendable, very buildable. That was so pretty, not patchy at all. It went on really well. I really love the palette. Supa did a great job coming up, picking the colors, the formula, everything. It was just, the palette was the bomb, y'all. It was really, really good. So yes, be sure to pick up the palette, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.